Hi guys, my name is Melissa Detmer, Norwex Independent Consultant, and I am one of the people that have been making these masks. I want to show you how this works as far as like how to secure this on your face when you're wearing this face mask. It is a Norwex window cloth on the front, and then it's just 100% cotton on the back. It does have a pocket for a filter. For filters, I'm not providing the filters, but you can use a coffee filter, a Swiffer pad, a vent cover that you can cut up. There's lots of different things that you can use for filters. You can also pre-order them already cut up, but those are really hard to find, and shipping was out another month or two, so I just wanted to go ahead and get this in your hands. Okay, so the way I did these, now you could actually change this up if you want to, but the way I'm sending it to you is that it's all one piece as far as the cord goes. So I went ahead and tied it in a bow just so that it won't slip through the holes. So you can untie that. When you're done, go ahead and tie it back so that the end pieces don't slip back through. Okay, so hold it when you're trying to put it on. What you're going to do is have the window cloth facing you and slip it over your head. And then what you're going to do is pull it tight enough that it's going to be tight on your chin. And then what you're going to do is wrap it over your ears and then secure it with a bow in the back. Like that, okay? So it fits over your ear, just so you can see my face. It does have a nose piece, a metal nose piece. So what you can do is actually bend it so it fits the shape of your face, okay? So when you take it off, just untie the bow and then secure it back. The reason I did it this way was so that a person doesn't have to have someone else help them. So again, just tie it back in a bow when you're done. Now, if you decide that you don't want to do it this way, or you fit it to your face and you know how it's going to fit, you could actually put a knot through on either side so that it doesn't accidentally slip through. If it does slip through, no big deal. Just put a safety pin on the end of it and then just wiggle it through this little tunnel, okay? I hope that helps. Stay well, and let me know if you have any questions about this face mask. Thanks.